Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to turn on the two-factor authentication on Fortnite. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open our browser and go directly to Epic Games website. Once there, you should click on the user icon on the top right corner of the page to log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create one. You can even log in if you have an account on one of the platforms that the page shows you. Once you're logged in, you'll click on the user icon again and then click on account. On the left side of the screen, you will click on the password and security option and scroll down to find the two-factor authentication option. Here you can choose the option that best suits you, and that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.